Welcome back to the Late Start Racing channel. Today we're doing some general maintenance on our daily driver.
This is our 2005 Ford Explorer. Brooke and I share this vehicle as a daily driver, and we don't own new vehicles here. We can't afford new vehicles. So this vehicle has 220,000 miles on it, and we hope to get plenty more out of it. And today we've got to do a few things. So we're going to change the oil in this 220,000 mile vehicle today. I actually changed the oil last week, and I put 530 fully synthetic oil in this vehicle, and I ended up with a problem. The front chain tensioner is a Cloyes. I replaced it twice in the last 25,000 miles. I've done the full chains on this. Gramp and I and my cousin Nick, we did full timing chain set on this 25,000 miles ago. Replaced that tensioner twice so far. Put a thinner oil than I forgot. I had been running 540 in it, keeping it nice and quiet. Put 530 in it, and it starts sounding like this. So today we're going to swap the oil out for 40. We'll take another video. We'll show you what that little bit of viscosity does for the hydraulic tensioners in these vehicles, or at least this one. All right, so we got the oil drained. We got the 530 fully synthetic out of it. And Brooke and I stopped by O'Reilly's this morning, pick up a few things. One of them was our fully synthetic O'Reilly brand 540 oil. I've been using this for a while now. Seems to work well in this vehicle given the amount of mileage on it, and I've been pretty happy with it. So, and for whatever reason, I was in Walmart and I got Walmart's finest in 530, and it didn't pan out. So we'll just try to remember that next time. So we found the dirtiest funnel in the shop, and we're going to fill this thing back up with oil and see what happens.
A few moments later.